Y'all know BC Indian declarers don't make sense. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I got to touch on Ryan Garcia. Now, the reason why I really want to go in on this matter is because when Ryan made that video, I don't know if y'all heard of it or you ever seen it before, but he was talking about how they were sacrificing children at Bohemian Grove. And they took him there because every artist, every celebrity has to go through an initiation process and a ritual in order to go to the next level. He was supposed to be the face of boxing. Now, his ex-wife wrote, I quote, says the boxer may seem fine, but he is not. After disturbing video claiming he is and his throat has been. Now, you can see that on the screen. And I want to prove something to everybody. Because a lot of people think things are just conspiracies and this, that, and the third. But I want you to look at a video. Let's pull this up real quick. If you would, let's pull this up. Let's see if I can find. I just want to pull up. Hopefully, I can find a short real quick. Because I really don't want to do the whole thing. Here we go. Let's look at before.
I'm gonna break your jaw. I promise you.
Tank
don't even bring your mother or your daughter.
to each other.
Don't bring them.
And just
I
hear
say
the
he's
way
the best fighter.
Ryan articulates.
Definitely.
He ain't shit of a fighter, but he's doing everything you can to figure it out. And it makes no sense, man. This dude could send all the Judases in my gym, all that come. It's not gonna stop. What's gonna happen? It's so sad. All his silly attempt. I need to rehydrate.
Do you hear the articulation? Do you hear the way that he pronounces his words? It doesn't sound slurred. It doesn't sound like he can barely comprehend or even, be aware of his environment. Sometimes Ryan seems like he's just sporadically just moving around nowadays. Not this Ryan F5 Tank. The Ryan F5 Tank, you can hear the clearness in his voice. You can see the clear thinking. This person, if you heard them, you would say, you know what? This sounds like a person that understands their mission and know what they want to accomplish in life, right? Now, look at the Ryan here. Just look at this right quick, Ryan. Let's pull this up. I'm just going to type in. I just want to show this right quick. Hopefully, I ain't even got to, go through the motions. Look how nuts this is. Look at this.
Clean my hands.
Nah, it's it. I appreciate you, though. Yeah. Appreciate that, bro. A long time ago.
My favorite moment was the Bulls.
Those are some good years.
Yeah, you were cold with it.
Good years. Really.
Look at the voice already. We're going with it. He did not talk like that. This is.
Who do you play for now?
Miami.
I knew that. I don't even know why I asked.
I don't know why they did that.
Clean my hands.
You just starting to say, I don't even. Now watch this. Let's go to another thing. There's more clips of him basically acting a fool.
Cheers.
Is he gonna chug that whole thing? All right. Only half. A diamond would be insane.
This person right here is just erratic and
Slow rolling him.
acting like a degenerate.
Garcia's.
That's bad.
Are those pants just falling
Hear
off?
the voice. See, I want people to focus on one thing, not just the actions. Hear the voice. Like, this dude don't even sound the same at all. And when he made that Bohemian Grove video, I don't think it was a video. I think he was just talking about it. I don't know if I can pull it up or not. Let me see if they still have it. Because a lot of people had took this down. Let's see if they still got the audio of this guy. Let me see if they had the audio leak. I don't know. Just for
It means everything to me to be a part of Team USA, knowing that there are kids that look up to me and Are you guys ready for this? I'm gonna go fucking live on my own shit.
Good,
420.
thank God, bro. Because
Okay.
all this shit, you know what I mean? People are concerned, but I'm glad you're good.
Bro, I've been training every day. They don't know, but I've been training every.
I'll get Gizmo up.
Might be cool though.
But
They're giving me.
They want a story for their platform.
They're not gonna get a
bro, we
story
care about
though.
right.
Ask for a space live, and they gave me the opportunity.
Ridiculous.
It's not.
Look, hear the voice already. Remember the first video I played? Listen to the voice. It's not. Now people want to blame it on drugs. Nobody voice changes that quick. On drugs for years. I don't know if people been in inner cities before, but they'll just make up things because you know why? The lack of knowledge, man. Make sure you gain knowledge so you can understand.
Ryan, are you in a good place mentally right now?
Of course, I couldn't get on space live myself. I've already done enough tweets.
People don't care about you.
They do though.
They care about a story.
They won't put it out
They
unless
care
I
about
tell them.
likes.
Yes or no?
They care about likes and hearts and comments.
Will you guys put this out unless I say?
No, because they
I-
got to be already.
I made it not recorded on purpose because I didn't want
Thank God.
any.
See,
I made it not recorded on purpose so you can say what you got to say.
God did. So we
Yo,
got final
Pepper.
cut.
You just can't believe everything people say.
Please, bro, let somebody talk. Happy punishment. Oh, what? Thinks I'm crazy, but I can show you proof every day.
What
Bro,
information are you referring to?
look up Bohemian Grove
Why do you think they're asking you if you're mentally in a good space?
because they want to know.
Do you think they care about you?
Yes.
No, they're gonna put it on the fucking newspaper fucking forum, and they'll be like, I asked Ryan Garcia if he's in a mentally good.
Yo, Ryan, I care about you, bro. Don't
You're
worry.
possessed. All right, what's up? I think you are. Because I haven't said one lie. You're trying to stop what I'm trying to do.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to expose everybody.
You're exposing yourself.
Ryan,
Not
to be honest with you, I believe that she's got your best interest at heart. And
okay.
think
I
that
get
you
that,
possibly can do this.
but I don't care. At the end of the day, I'm trying to really stop every fucking devil worshiping bitch in the world, and it's true. Ask me any question about the Bible. I guarantee you, I have the answer. Why do I know this? Because I know this. Why do you think I know every question about all the elites? Why do you think I have this information? Why do you think IG and Facebook is down? Keem, talk to me. Keem, talk to me.
Ryan, I sent you a DM a couple
I
days
already read. I
ago.
already heard it. You said, brother, you need help. Guess what, bro? I don't need help. First of
Well,
all,
no, my point is everybody around you is everyone around you, the people that you trust the most in your life are concerned. No, I know there's truth to
Bohemian
a lot of
Grove is
this stuff
real.
that you're saying. But
Bohemian
what
Grove is real.
no, 100%.
They
I
try to
know there's a
cancel
lot of
Alex
truth.
Jones.
I know. I'm not disagreeing that. What I'm saying is when you start really going down these rabbit holes and whatnot, and in this conspiracy stuff, you can get lost.
I'm not lost.
A lot of things. I feel like you shouldn't
No,
talk
they're not
about it
recording.
now.
Hey, Ryan, I just
It's
have a
not gonna get
question.
lost.
What's your what's the end goal with this? You just want to make sure the bad people are shown, or what?
Yes. And exposed and burnt down and everybody's done. I'm tired of it, bro. Dude, Disney fucking has kids that are getting raped out of a ritual, bro. What the fuck?
Yo,
Do you
Ryan,
want me to stand? Do you
Ryan,
want me to stand back and let it happen? Do you, no, I'm
Nah.
not gonna, bro. As long as
I ain't gonna play the rest of it, but as you can see, just look at the voices, the tone, the articulation. It's something strange that right after that event of him going there, and then he came back talking like this. Even his wife said that he was basically deleted. So you have to pay attention. That's why the divorce have to happen. A lot of times this happen because once they replace people, they can't have the people that was originally around them still around because they will figure it out. Just understand that. All right.